The U-Safe is a revolutionary drone life preserver hybrid. This cutting-edge device is built to endure extreme conditions, from falls off cliffs to oil rigs or helicopters. It can swiftly reach individuals in distress, traveling at speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour, and has the strength to tow them to safety. Controlled by an intuitive remote with a range of up to 500 meters, the U-Safe also features built-in lighting for effective operation in darkness. Its success is clear, with enthusiastic endorsements from rescue professionals and the US Coast Guard. Deep Robotics has unveiled a revolutionary tool for rescuers, the X20, a state-of-the-art robotic assistant designed to enhance search and rescue operations. Powered by advanced artificial intelligence, the X20 can independently conduct search missions without additional burden. It operates for up to 4 hours on a single charge and covers approximately 15 kilometers. The X20 is also versatile, capable of carrying extra equipment such as gas analyzers when necessary. Its agile design allows it to climb stairs and navigate slopes of up to 30 degrees with ease. The TY3R drone is a marvel of engineering designed for both water and land missions. This versatile drone can launch and land on water even in challenging conditions such as Force 6 winds and Force 2 sea states. It boasts a driving capability of up to an hour and can dive to depths of 1.5 meters. With a top speed of 13 meters per second, the TY3R is built for performance. Equipped with a 720p camera and an automatic return feature in case of signal loss, it excels in both seawater environments and terrestrial tasks. The TY3R operates reliably in extreme temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Meet the LUF Nano, a smart robotic electric vehicle built for tough firefighting jobs. It's perfect for situations where fires are too intense, too hot, or too hard to reach. With its 2 powerful engines, it can carry up to 250 kilograms and tow up to 500 kilograms, making it great for moving equipment and rescuing people. It can reach speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour and handle rough terrain thanks to its 15 centimeters ground clearance. Plus, it can be fitted with rails for even more versatility. Firefighters face unique challenges when dealing with electric car fires. Even after the flames are out, cooling the battery is essential to prevent it from reigniting. To address this, the Vehicle Isolation System (EIS) comes into play. This innovative system acts like a flexible cover that wraps around the vehicle, creating a protective bubble filled with water. The EIS can accommodate vehicles up to 3.5 tons and support loads of up to 8.5 tons. Its walls are resistant to various chemicals, including lithium hexafluorophosphate, commonly found in batteries. Plus, the EIS is reusable, making it a valuable tool for multiple incidents. In the UK, motorcyclists face a staggering 13 times greater risk of injury in accidents compared to car drivers. To address this, Helite Moto offers innovative safety solutions. Their jacket features a built-in airbag that inflates within 1 second and includes neck protection. For track enthusiasts, the EGP vest provides comprehensive protection for the back and chest, with an emphasis on aerodynamic design. Additionally, Helite Moto has introduced the world's first airbag jeans, which inflate in just 150 milliseconds to protect crucial areas such as the coccyx and femoral arteries. Meet the CH-15, a revolutionary ultra-thin respirator hood that redefines protection against chemical, biological, radiation, and nuclear threats. Impressive, right? But that's not all. The CH-15 features a versatile one-size-fits-all design, allowing you to put it on in under 10 seconds. It's compatible with glasses and requires no part replacements. Users can rely on it for at least 15 minutes of comprehensive respiratory, eye, and facial protection. Since we're discussing water and rescue operations, let's delve into AquaEye, the world's first sonar system integrated with artificial intelligence. AquaEye enables lifeguards to scan 4,000 square meters of water in just 2 minutes. This advanced device precisely locates missing individuals and offers up to 8 hours of search time on a single charge. Its rugged design withstands shocks and is perfectly suited for use in saltwater environments. If a building lacks escape chutes, emergency services can rely on specialized cushions designed for safety. These cushions can withstand jumps from up to the 8th floor, approximately 25 meters high. The SP16 cushion, which can be assembled by a team of 2, features a unique blue circle in the center. According to psychologists, this design element helps reduce the fear associated with jumping. This innovation is a game-changing inflatable PVC boat designed as a highly versatile life raft for ice operations. Named the Rescue Tip Board, it dramatically improves rescue efficiency by a factor of 6. Incredibly, this raft inflates in just 30 seconds and navigates smoothly through reeds and swamps. At only 22 kilograms, it folds compactly and can be easily transported by a single person using a dedicated backpack. Why rely on sandbags for flood protection when the TUBEBARRIER offers a more practical solution? According to its creators, this system outperforms sandbags in efficiency. With just 4 people, you can set up 100 meters of TUBEBARRIER in under an hour. It's available in heights of 40 or 70 centimeters and works on both paving stones and soil. Plus, it requires no pumps, electricity, or additional equipment and is fully reusable. During fires, gas leaks, and other emergencies, exit congestion can be a significant issue. To address this challenge and ensure a swift evacuation, the slide to safety system has been developed. These slides activate within 6 seconds and can evacuate approximately 30 people per minute. Although they are designed for use up to the 4th floor, they can be installed beneath any accessible window for maximum efficiency. Firepal proudly presents what they believe is the world's smallest fire extinguisher. Its compact bottle-sized design fits effortlessly in your hand while delivering greater effectiveness than many larger models. The FP50 version is designed to tackle fires in various situations, from electrical panels to trash cans, covering an area of up to 0.2 square meters. It operates for approximately 12 seconds and weighs just 480 grams, making it a powerful and portable solution for fire safety. The IKAROS smoke signal stands out for its exceptional visibility, with dense smoke that floats and can be seen from several kilometers away. Each signal lasts for 3 minutes and is housed in a rugged steel case. Activation is simple, just remove the lid, pull the loop, and drop it into the water. Additionally, the IKAROS smoke signal complies with the latest regulations of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. Thanks for watching. If these life-saving inventions impressed you, give us a like and share which one you found most fascinating in the comments. For more amazing innovations and updates, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Your support means everything. Stay tuned for our next video, stay unstoppable, and keep reaching for the stars.